This tutorial guides you through configuring Workspace settings in the Loadvis application. You will learn how to update values and select options to customize your workspace effectively. Click Edit to enter the Workspace editing mode, where you can modify settings. Click 22 to select the first value field for modification. Click 22 again to confirm the selection of the first value field. Enter the value 21 to update the first field accordingly. Click 85 to select the second value field for editing. Enter the value 80 to update the second field accordingly. Click High Capacity Server Rack to select the server rack type. Click High Capacity Server Rack again to confirm your selection. Click High Capacity Server Rack once more to finalize the server rack choice. Click 400 to select the third value field for modification. Enter the value 200 to update the third field accordingly. Click 1000 to select the fourth value field for editing. Enter the value 400 to update the fourth field accordingly. Click Yes to confirm the selection or enable the option. Click True to finalize the selection or activate the setting.